Let's learn to read. Sound sentence practice. The pig is pink. The pig is pink. The wig is big. The wig is big. The fish has a fin. The fish has a fin. The pin is sharp. The pin is sharp. Your turn.